Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Guys, we have one direct test hiring opportunity for fresher candidates. So we have opportunity from Cell company. They are hiring for the role of graduate program, and only fresher candidates are eligible for this opportunity. But if you have graduated in last 3 years, so you are also eligible for this opportunity. Okay, not only 2024, 2025, but if you have graduated in 22, 21 and 23, you are also eligible for this opportunity. I will show you where they have mentioned that. But before that, let's describe the other criteria. Like this opportunity is for the role of graduate program, and work location will be Bangalore, Chennai, Gurugram, and Maharashtra and Mumbai. And if you see here, they mention what they want from you, as they mentioned here what we need from you. Okay, so to be eligible for Cell graduate program, you must meet the below requirement. So here they have mentioned that have graduated prior to your first day at Cell. So what does it mean is either you have graduated early or you should be in your final year of graduation, and also if you have completed your master or PhD or bachelor degree in within less than 3 years of work experience, you are also eligible for this opportunity. Okay, and here you can see that they just need a communication skill and interpersonal skill, and apart from that you should be a citizen of India, and that's all the requirement you should have for to be eligible for this opportunity. Okay, when you are going to click on apply now button, you are going to navigate to a workday page where you have to fill all of the detail as you usually do, and after that within 2 or 3 minutes you will get this type of email like you are invited to complete an assessment with Cell and Cell graduate program 2025, and you can do this assessment within 7 days. And I have also registered for this, and I will try to complete this assessment as soon as possible so that I can help with you guys. Okay, so make sure you subscribe the channel so you will get the latest update immediately, and I will try to upload this today or tomorrow, and you will get to know everything. Okay, so you will get link in the description, you can apply. Till then I will get new opportunities for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.